Morning, guys. We're leaving. I know I wear so like very wintry.
You know what? This would be a great day for me. Great time in my life to focus on something else too.
Up the hop! Up the hop! Hops! Hops! Hops!
Was it locked, huh?
Huh?
Was it locked?
Yeah, I'm just calling the cat. Poor baby. It's a very quiet morning.
How are we looking with laundry detergent?
Oh, we need that. We need 2 of that because we still have like 2 there.
We have 3.
Huh?
You said we still have how many left?
1.5. My husband is very quiet. Good morning, Han. Morning on. Morning on. He's so tired. He get home very late. It's not very late like the other day, right? The other day is just like 2 o'clock. That's Saturday. Last night you get like 10:30.
10:30.
What time you get home? 11?
That'd be
11 o'clock. I don't see any sun today, guys. Is it gonna rain today, honey?
I don't know. It was red this morning on the news, so I'm guessing yes. But I don't know.
We're here in the Stop and Shop right now, guys. And it's very heavy. My husband doesn't help me to carry this cart. Cart is heavy, guys. Be ignoring me, guys. They change everything here, guys. I don't know, they change everything. Even all the sections, even the vegetables, the meat, the cheese, they change everywhere. That's right. Cheese. Guys, we get home from dropping my mother-in-law and shopping to Stop and Shop. And I take off my blouse because it's super duper hotty. And it's time to clean up from last night. I don't know where's my husband though. He's talking. Our neighbor called him and talked to him. I lost my husband. I can't find him nowhere. I don't know where is his friend bringing him though, but they kidnapped my husband. Who kidnapped my baby? Okay. I thought we were going to Home Depot. Oh, I'm gonna make him smoothie though. It's time. Oh, apple. I'm gonna make him a smoothie, guys. See you later. Alagada. Why the light is not on? Freezing days, cold, free killing it. I have to go downstairs and get some leafy vegetables, guys. It's so freaking hot. It's hot, guys. I have to turn the air conditioning because it is hot. Air conditioning. I moved the thing again of the curtains again because hot. The cat just keep crying. This crying thing is just too much. Oh my god, Daddy doesn't even drink his smoothie. I drink some of it, guys, because of it. I drink some of it because the sippy cup. This is like a baby, the sippy cup. The cup the one that for my husband is full, so I have this, and I'm gonna leave some for him. It's very good. Yammers. I'm going to sing a song which is Destiny. Better than ever knew. What if I never found you? I never had this feeling in my heart. Ouch! Ouch, hon! Help me! Help me! Help me! My God! If I'm dying, hon, you won't help me.
Because you always play and play like the boy who cried wolf.
Because if I'm dying, guys, you won't help me because you know he's just like, oh, come here.
Because if you were really hurt, honey, it would sound different. Now, what is your foot fell asleep? What?
Yes, you have to wake him up.
It'll wake up on your way.
We're going, guys. Again! I'm tired of the shopping thingy.
You? Shit.
I know my husband is more tired because he's like working, go home. What happened? What?
Burned my face.
Holy shit, hon.
What the fuck happened to that?
What? That's weird. It's like, oh my god, he burned his eyes. He burned, oh my god, I can smell all the...
Yeah, of course you can.
Let me see. You're losing a lot of eyelashes. What time is it now?
11, almost 12.
Okay, hold on, guys. My husband, he used the lighter, which is the lighter that...
My spare lighter.
He used it to light the cigarettes, and it wind up the flame. It's very high, and a lot of it came out. And he has a very long eyelashes burn it.
I know.
In the left side, in the right side.
Very short.
Now it's very short, the left side, and the other one is very long.
I'm gonna burn the other side.
Are you kidding me, Han? Oh my god, he really burned his eyelashes. I love his eyelashes. I hope I have that eyelashes. This is a good thing about Casco. They have a very nice stuff. This nice thing. It's very easy to wear here. Nutella. Starting to go shopping here in Costco grocery. We got frozen stuff, but now it's not frozen anymore because it's hot. Yeah. Oh, so tired. I'm so tired, guys. I even wear this to make me comfy. As you know, guys, I love wearing loose shirt because it's very comfortable, you know, and yeah, and I wear loose thing too because comfortable. I have my purse here because this is the purse that I use all that every day when every time we go out. I'm using my cell phone all the time to vlog. I have a camera, but I have to learn how to do it because it's a good camera, but the problem is the focus when you keep moving like this. It's like keep focusing, it just can't focus automatic. It's just like the light is like it's keep changing. It gives you headache, so that's why I don't do that. I have to go to the settings for that. I'm looking for a review. I'm looking for the review how to go to the settings though, because yeah. And anyway guys, I'm here. I'll see you later guys. I'm just gonna take a nap. I'm going to kill the light and take a nap for a while. Oh, it's already 3 o'clock. I'm not cooking for dinner. I might just do some frozen vegetables for dinner because we have some pork from last night. That's good enough. So I'm gonna take a nap, kill the light, and after taking a nap, maybe, I have to fold this because I don't have a choice. Our laundry, because or else we can't lie down here and sleep. Hi Dimples, my cat. Look at that, he likes to go to the window. Hi Dimples. See you later guys. See you later. I have to relax my head. It's really crazy. Hi guys, I came down. Yeah, it's very dark right here because everybody's upstairs. My husband's in the shower and my mother-in-law went to her bed and relaxed for a while. Yeah, it's very quiet. Why this one? Hold on guys. Okay. I don't even take a nap. I'm just lying down, all the stuff, watching my show because the cats lie down with me, so I don't wanna just like. You know what time it is? Team told the that's yun.
Full time.
Toll time. You know what time it is? Han, you answered.
It's tool time.
It's a show. We're going out again, guys. You can't see me, so I do the light. We're going out. It's already 7:04 at night. We're gonna have a party. We're going to have a party.
You going to the party?
It's very dark, guys. Huh?
It's coconut nuts.
Coconut nuts. It's a giant nuts. Hello, guys. Yehey! 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 Tagay na, tagay! Tagay!